In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use make.com webhook. By the end, you'll know how to set up a webhook trigger inside a make scenario so external tools can send data into your automation reliably and securely. Start by opening make.com and signing into your workspace. From the left-hand navigation, head to scenarios. This is where all your automations live. Think of a scenario as a flowchart. It listens for something to happen, then runs the steps you define. Click Create a Scenario to open a fresh canvas where we'll add our first module. On the canvas, click the large plus icon to add a module. In the search bar, type webhooks and select the webhooks app. This module is what allows Make to receive data from other services. You'll see options grouped by what they do. Since we want to start our scenario when data arrives, we'll be working with a trigger. Choose the trigger that matches your use case. A webhook trigger is designed to catch incoming HTTP requests and use them to start your scenario. If you're unsure which option to pick, hover over the choices to read their short descriptions. The key idea is that a trigger listens for events. Actions, on the other hand, run after the trigger fires. Next, click Create a Webhook. You'll be prompted to give it a name. Use a clear, memorable naming convention, like including the source system and purpose, so you can identify it later without guesswork. Good names make collaboration and troubleshooting much easier. You'll also see a place to add an API key if your webhook needs to authenticate incoming requests. Only paste keys you control and keep them private. Use the minimal scope required and store the key securely in your password manager. If your process involves headers or tokens, match exactly what your sending system expects. Typos, extra spaces, or incorrect scopes are common reasons requests fail. So take a moment to double check. When everything looks right, click Save. Saving confirms the trigger configuration and ties your webhook to this scenario. From here, your scenario is ready to listen for incoming data, and you can build out the rest of your flow knowing the entry point is in place. If something doesn't behave as expected, revisit the trigger selection, the webhook name, and your API key details to ensure they align with the external system's requirements. That's all you need to set up a webhook in Make. You've created a scenario, added the webhooks module, selected the appropriate trigger, named it clearly, secured it with an API key if required, and saved your configuration.